It's set for zigzag now. This controls how wide the zigzag is, whether it's 2 millimeters or 10 millimeters. Right now it's set for about 4. And it's walking 4 millimeters. We can increase it 10. 10 millimeters.
Okay.
Or if you want to do straight stitch, always do it with the needle up, because it's going to move when you change this. Go to 0, and then it'll be straight. And to make those stitches longer, or to make it longer from here to here or closer, it's done with this knob. You have to unlock it, and then you can turn this. The higher the number, the longer the stitch is. This is wide, this is long. So now we're doing just a long stitch. You can reverse for backpacking. You can make them even longer. That's the straight stitch. You get ready to go back to zigzag. Needles out of the fabric. You can go here. Now, it's going to zigzag, but it's going to be a really long zigzag. See? So I want to cut that distance down. I do it here. Go back to a shorter stitch. And it's easier if you'll hold this lever down when you go into a shorter stitch. It overcomes a spring that it's got in there. See how they're shorter now compared to before. Here, 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 here. Okay. Now when you change the bobbin, you'll rock the machine back. Pick the lever up, bring the bobbin out. The bobbin goes in this way, through the spring and through this little slot right here. Don't leave a lot of thread hanging. And it goes in and you hear the click and you know it's in good. To get it out, open the lever, pull it out. It holds the bobbin because the lever's hold. Let it go, you take the bobbin out. In, find it here, here. This little part here actually goes right in there, and you'll be. It's the only way it'll go in without you forcing it. And then hear it click. Then you're ready to sew. This is your bobbin winder. You just put your bobbins on, thread it, it'll kick off when it's done. Go in here and get the bobbin. The new bobbin goes in this way. Bring the thread through here, then through here, and then through here. Okay? Keep this thread on the outside. and not too long. You don't have to rock the head back. But I'm gonna rock it back just so you can see. It goes right there. And it goes crossways. And it locks in.